topic is about the Bluetooth, right? So you people are well known about the Bluetooth technology. From the third year itself, we can started learning about the Bluetooth technology. Okay, right? Okay. So Bluetooth, it is at IEEE 802.15, and it is a short range radio technology because it known it is a personal area network because it contains only short range of services, right? Okay. So it is a global standard for wireless connectivity. So first we can share the information through wireless connectivity like Bluetooth, and that is that Bluetooth connectivity medium only. We can share the information and we can share the files also, right? Okay. So in that. Uh, the short range radio link operating license 2.45 gigahertz ISM patch. So its operating range is about 2.45 gigahertz. Okay, and the main objective of Bluetooth is about cable replacement, small size, low cost, and low power. So in the first thing, the main advantages of Bluetooth is about your it is an cable replacement because it is through wireless medium and it is in small size, low cost, and low power. The main purpose of Bluetooth is that this thing. Okay, and the next one is working of Bluetooth, and the working of Bluetooth is around a short range of 0 to 100 meter. Okay, right? And it can be divided into two sections. The first one is that Bluetooth specification and a Bluetooth profile. Okay, so in the specification is all about your technology, how it works, and the profile is about how it used. All that. Okay, so Bluetooth technology பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நம்ம ரெண்டு விஷயத்துக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம். One is about your Bluetooth specification and Bluetooth profiles. The one the specification it's all deals about your how it technology works. Okay, and another one is how it the technology should be used. So this all about your Bluetooth specification and Bluetooth profile. Okay, so the main purpose about the Bluetooth it's about it is an radio frequency technology and it is an wireless medium and it is around and its operating range is around 0 to 100 meters and it contains two sections. One is Bluetooth specification and Bluetooth profiles. Okay, right. And this is a Bluetooth protocol architecture. So every applications we have some architecture, right? So this is all about your architecture of your Bluetooth. Okay, right. So look at that diagram of your Bluetooth architecture. Okay, so the each command having some specifications into it, right? So first look at that LMP. So LMP represents link manager protocol and HCL represents half controller interface and the L2 cap represents logical link control and adaptation control and RF communication represents that is radio frequency communication represents all. Okay, so these all about what are the things you are used here. Okay, right. So you know that the basic thing WH environment wireless application protocol, user data protocol, transmission control protocol, IP internet protocol, different communication में base பண்ணதான் இது. சாரி, இன் பிட்வீன் வந்து கொஞ்சம் நெட்டு விட்டு விட்டு தான் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ கிளாஸ் கட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு போயிடாதீங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ சூன் ஐ வில் ஃபினிஷ் த கிளாஸ் as soon as possible. Okay, so just I will share the screen again because I'm having net issue today, so that's why. Right, so now screen is visible. Screen visible இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Okay ma, good right. So this all about your Bluetooth architecture என்னென்னலாம் இருக்கு அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற process communications and these are the things and LMP represents is used for link manager on link setup protocols and the hard control interface provide an interface between the base band link controller and the link manager access controller. Okay, so whereas in link logical control adaptation protocol supports that higher level protocol multiplexing used for packet segmentations. Okay, so the RF communication based on your serial ports and service discovery protocols all about your application to discover which services are provided for available, which network is available for the various services அப்படின்ற பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இது. Okay, right. And next one is the technical specifications. I already told you that the frequency band of Bluetooth is about 2.45 gigahertz and modulation is that Gaussian shaped BFSK and range is about 10 to 100 meter
and physical area is FHSS, that is frequency hopping spectrum, and the coverage area is all about omnidirectional and non-line of sight transmission, and data rate is about 1 Mbps, and the hopping rate is 1600 hop per second, and it channels about 79/23 channels. So these are the technical specifications of Bluetooth. Okay, so the first thing we have to mainly look up is frequency band and range, and the coverage area, what are they get, at data rate. So these are the process we have to clearly look up at the technical specifications. Okay, and next one is the same thing, continuation, channel length, data packet, cost, power, acceptance, and various things. It comes in the form of Bluetooth protocol. ஓகேங்களா, ஸோ என்னென்னலாம் இருக்கு அதுக்குள்ள அப்படின்றது, ரைட்டா. And next one is your advantages and disadvantages. So in the beginning of the Bluetooth, we can share the information is that the low power consumption, reliable and secure, and works in noisy environments, non-flight of sight instruction. The main purpose of Bluetooth is that it is an low power consumption, and also it is an secure connection for making share the information. And also the disadvantages is too many unfeasible application. Okay, no hand of technology, and also the range is very small when compared to other apps nowadays, but the beginning stage is very, very useful, right? And the next one is applications, mobile phones, laptops, digital camera, in all the applications, in all the electronics part, the Bluetooth is mandatory nowadays, because in laptops also having Bluetooth specifications, in mobile phones we are having Bluetooth specification, medical, music system, all the things contain the Bluetooth environment. Okay, so these are the process mainly comes under the form of Bluetooth. Okay, so இதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Bluetooth வந்து நம்ம வந்து வேரியஸ் திங்ஸ் நிறைய தடவை படிச்சிருப்போம். ஃப்ரம் த தேர்ட் இயர்ல இருந்து இந்த Bluetoothன்றது ஒவ்வொரு இதுலயுமே வரும், right? And not only for mobile applications, in also in wireless applications and all the things. ஓகேங்களா, ஸோ இது எல்லாமே பேஸ் பண்ணி வர்றது தான் இந்த Bluetooth. ஸோ இதுல நீங்க வந்து புதுசா இதை வந்து பெருசா தனியா படிக்க போறோம் அப்படின்றது எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ஓகே, ஸோ தீஸ் ஆல் அபவுட் யுவர் 15 ஸ்பெஷல் டாபிக்ஸ்மா.